Okay, we're going to do an approval for a showroom item. So we create an order. Let's just do nothing in the order for now. And add a customer. And then we're going to add a showroom item to our cart. So I'm going to add an item. And let's add this one here. So when you get to this page, this is when you're going to establish this as an approval item rather than just something that's being added to the cart to be sold. So you'll see down here, you'll have set this as an approval. So you want to set it as an approval. If the customer is basically taking it right away, then you can set the status automatically with the customer and then add that to cart. So you'll see in here you have an approval pending 1, and there's no value here because it technically hasn't been added to the cart. When you have an approval item in your order, you'll also get this window here, and this window will allow you to add any sort of documentation that you want as somewhat collateral. So this could be passport number, this could be driver's license number, anything like that. I don't recommend putting any credit card information in here for security purposes, but this is just a place that you could capture usually the person's license number. So now that this is in here in 1065, this will automatically be part of my approval list. So you can see that's in here. And this is a list of everything that is outstanding, essentially, or anything that was an approval and what the status is. So you can see that this is with the customer. So if the customer takes the item away, and if they call you back and say, I would like to keep it, it's just a matter of going into the order, going into the item, and you can change the status from with customer to sold and then complete the approval, or you can set it as returned and complete the approval. We're going to set this one as a return. And you'll notice that is now pending. Approval pending is 0, so it's pending has been closed. This stays in the cart, but it has no value. So the reason why we want to keep that in the cart is so that it has a historical record of what was taken. You can also add notes as to why it wasn't chosen. But just by doing this process, it also puts it back into the inventory.